Have you ever considered getting a pet cat? The decision to invite a feline friend into your home isn't one to be taken lightly. It's a commitment that comes with its unique set of rewards and responsibilities. In this video, we'll guide you through the various aspects of cat ownership, laying out the good, the bad, and everything in between. From companionship to allergies and maintenance to potential furniture damage, we've got it all covered. So, let's delve into the joys and challenges of having a feline friend. One of the joys of having a pet cat is the companionship they offer. Cats, with their independent yet affectionate nature, have a unique way of forming bonds with their owners. They might not always be by your side, but they are never too far away, ready to offer a comforting purr or a gentle nuzzle when you need it most. Cats have a knack for sensing when their humans are feeling down and often come to offer silent support, curling up close and providing a soothing presence. Their predictable routines and subtle displays of affection can be a source of comfort and stability. Despite their reputation for being aloof, cats can form deep and lasting connections with their humans. They are capable of recognizing their owners' voices and responding to their emotions, which only strengthens the bond between them. So a cat can indeed be a great companion. However, a potential downside to consider is allergies. Indeed, cats, lovable as they are, can be the source of certain health irritants for some individuals. You see, cats produce proteins known as FeLD1 and FeLD4 in their skin, saliva, and urine, which can cause allergic reactions in humans. These reactions can range from mild, such as a runny nose and itchy eyes, to more severe symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and even asthmatic attacks. Even if you're not allergic, guests or other family members might be. It's also worth noting that allergies can develop over time. You could be fine with your feline friend for years, then suddenly find yourself sneezing and wheezing. Therefore, if allergies are a concern, it's worth considering this before bringing a cat home. On the upside, cats are generally low-maintenance pets. Now, when we say low maintenance, we're not suggesting that you can simply ignore your feline friend. However, compared to many other pets, cats are rather independent creatures. This independence manifests itself in many ways. For instance, there's no need to walk a cat, as they're perfectly content to exercise themselves around the house or garden. They also have a natural inclination to keep themselves clean, often spending hours grooming themselves to perfection. When it comes to feeding, cats are typically less demanding. They are content with a couple of meals a day, and some even prefer to graze throughout the day on a single serving. Cats also have a knack for entertaining themselves, often finding joy in the simplest of things, like a dangling piece of string or a stray bottle cap. So, for those with a busy lifestyle, a cat could be the perfect pet. But one must not forget about the potential for furniture damage. You see, cats have a natural instinct to scratch. It's their way of marking their territory, stretching their muscles and keeping their claws sharp and ready. Unfortunately, this can lead to some wear and tear around your home. Your favorite armchair, your precious wooden table, or even your beautiful wallpaper might fall victim to your feline friend's claws. This isn't because they're being naughty or destructive on purpose, mind you. It's just part of their natural behaviour. Now, there are ways to mitigate this. Providing scratching posts or cat trees can help direct their attention away from your furniture. Training them from a young age can also be beneficial, but it's important to remember that scratching is a deeply ingrained instinct in cats. So, one must be prepared for the potential wear and tear that comes with owning a cat. To sum up, owning a pet cat has its ups and downs. There's no denying the joy and companionship a cat can bring into your life. They're independent yet affectionate creatures that can fill your days with laughter and warmth. They're relatively low maintenance compared to other pets, requiring less attention and time. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Allergies are a common issue and can be a significant barrier for some people. An allergic reaction to cats is not something to be taken lightly and can be quite uncomfortable for those affected. Additionally, cats can be quite the little destructors. Their natural instinct to scratch can lead to furniture damage, and let's not forget the occasional surprise they might leave you on your favourite rug. Also remember that while they may not need as much attention as dogs, they still require care, feeding, and regular checkups. Pets are not just for Christmas, they're for life. In conclusion, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before deciding to bring a cat into your home. Every pet comes with its own set of challenges and joys, and cats are no exception. The decision to own a pet should never be taken lightly. It's a commitment that lasts for the lifetime of the pet. Remember, owning a pet is a big responsibility, so make sure to consider all these factors before bringing a new feline friend into your home.